Are you finding it hard to quickly create quality content? Do you spend excessive time brainstorming ideas, drafting blog posts, or crafting marketing materials? Imagine if an AI tool could do all that for you with just a few clicks. Let's explore Rytr.me, an AI-driven writing assistant that generates professional content in seconds. In this video, I'll explain how Rytr works, its pricing plans, key features, user reviews, and its pros and cons. The link is in the description. What is Rytr? Rytr is a powerful AI writing tool designed for content creators, marketers, and businesses that need fast, high-quality content. Whether you're writing blog posts, product descriptions, social media updates, or emails, Rytr can help. How does Rytr work? When you log into Rytr, you'll see a simple and clean interface. Here's how it works. 1. Choose your content type. Pick from over 40 use cases, like blog idea and outline. 2. Select your tone. Decide on a tone, professional, friendly, or casual. 3. Enter keywords. Input keywords related to your topic and click Generate. Rytr quickly produces well-structured content that you can edit or expand. This saves time and simplifies your writing process. Updated pricing plans. Rytr offers 3 pricing options. 1. Free plan. Get 10,000 characters per month, perfect for personal use. 2. Unlimited plan. At $9 a month, enjoy unlimited character generation. 3. Premium plan. For $29 a month, you get unlimited content, advanced features, and team collaboration tools. For more details, check the link in the description. Key features. Rytr isn't just about content generation. It has a range of features that make it stand out. 40+ use cases. Create different types of content effortlessly. 30+ languages. Write content in multiple languages. Plagiarism checker. Ensure originality with built-in detection. SEO optimization. Generate keyword-rich content for better rankings. Browser extension and API integration. Work seamlessly across different platforms. Collaboration tools, ideal for teams and businesses. You can explore all these features by signing up through the link in the description. User reviews. Users appreciate Rytr's simplicity, affordability, and efficiency. Many love its templates and multilingual support, making it a great tool for content creation. However, some users mention that while the tool is useful, AI-generated content still requires some human editing. Pros and cons. Pros: affordable pricing compared to competitors. Simple and user-friendly interface. Supports 30+ languages and 40+ content types. SEO-friendly content generation. Plagiarism checker included. Team collaboration and API access. Cons: AI-generated content may require editing. Lacks deep creativity for highly specialized topics. Free plan has character limits. Final verdict. Rytr is a cost-effective and flexible AI writing assistant, perfect for bloggers, marketers, and small businesses that need quick content generation. While it may need some human touch for the best results, its ease of use and features make it a great option. What do you think? Have you tried Rytr? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.